Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make French onion soup with a twist because we're going to do it on the stovetop. It's cold here, it's 35 degrees, and Randy loves onions. I had plenty of what I needed, so that's what's for supper. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my croutons started. So that's what we're going to do. You need a loaf of, the staler the bread, the better. I mean, fresh bread works, but the staler your bread, the better your croutons. You're going to need some butter. You're going to need some salt, some pepper, and some garlic to season your croutons with. That's it. So let's get started. All right, let's just go ahead and get this cut. See, you can tell it's stale. But that's the best way to do it. Alright, now I've got all my breadcrumbs out here, and we're fixing to go to the stove. I've got it on, and I'm going to put it on about a medium flame, and I'm going to let that pan get hot. Okay, we're going to take about a half a stick of butter. Alright, I've cut my butter into little sections. You hear that sizzle? I let my pan get hot enough, and we're going to drop that in there and just let that melt. Alright, we're going to get our breadcrumbs and we're just going to come put them in that pan, just like that. You get that butter, and you know what? I think I am going to need a little more butter because it's already absorbed. Alright, I'm just going to put me 2 little squares in here. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to get me some pepper. Alright, and then we're going to put some garlic in there. And pretty much seasoning is to taste, so whatever you think you would like, then that's what you put, and then you adjust as time goes by. And then you just want to toss them, let them sit just a second, then toss them again, and stay with it, guys. Don't let them burn. Okay guys, we're going to call this good. They've got a nice little crunch on the outside. Oh, they taste like butter, and we're going to call that good because we're dropping them down in soup. I'd probably cook them a little longer if I was going to use them for a salad or anything like that, but for soup, they're going to get soft as soon as they hit that, or as soon as the soup hits them. So, we're calling it good. We're going to set this aside and we're going to start that soup. Okay, we're going to get this soup started. So the first thing we're going to do is heat up this pan. So I've got my eye on, and I'm going to turn it to a medium low. More low, just so we can heat that pan up while I cut these onions. Alright, let's get these onions cut. Oh, there must be. Alright. That one I'm going to try to grow. Don't throw your onions away. If you have a garden, do not throw those away. And I'll show you when it gets time what to do with those onion peels. They make the best bug spray for your plants ever. I don't remember if I said it before or not, so I'm using 2 different kinds of onions because that's what I got. So I got 2 yellow onions, and then I have 3 Vidalia. Okay, my pan is getting hot. I'm pretty sure it's ready for that butter. We're going to put some butter in that pan. All right, I'm going to drop my butter in there and let that be melting down while I finish cutting these onions. I just make half moons. If you wanted to, you could just do it in rounds, you know, just slice the whole onion all the way down. But they're going to saute down so small anyway, it really doesn't matter. So this is the easy way. My butter's all melted. Get these onions in there. Sizzle, sizzle. Y'all know I love that sizzle. Get every last little drop of onion. Oh, I missed one. I missed one. There we go. Don't miss no onions. All right, now we're gonna get that stirred up. Look at that. Awesome. Smell those onions. Onion lover's dream. Hey, Randy's already over here eating my onions. I had to smack him with my Spurtle. Now, you just want to let those slowly saute down because you want them to caramelize. You want them to turn brown. Not burnt, but you want them to turn brown. And that's going to take a little bit. That takes time. You're not rushing them. You're just letting them cook down. All right, I'm starting to get brown bits on the bottom of my pan. So we're going to call this good, and we're going to start adding our ingredients. You ready? All right, I put my 6 cups of water in here. I'm just going to stir that a little bit. Okay, and since I have 6 cups of water, I need 6 teaspoons of beef bouillon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll start with 6 and see how we go. We'll get that stirred around. Now, as far as bouillon goes, you can use dry bouillon. You can use what I'm using, which is a beef. It's just a beef base. Or my favorite, but I don't have any, is why I'm using the beef base. It was a whole lot cheaper. Better Than Bouillon beef. The brand Better Than Bouillon comes in that little jar. That is premium stuff, okay? But they charge a premium price for it, so it's kind of rare for me to buy that. But if I'm really wanting to impress somebody, that's what I get, okay? But for now, we're just using beef base. All right, now we're going to get 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, 3. We're going to give that a stir. All right, my soup is boiling. Let's get these bowls layered up. Okay, we're going to get these fresh homemade croutons down in this bowl. You don't really need that many, but Randy loves his croutons, so we're going to put him a bunch in there. And he likes lots and lots of cheese, so we're going to put 2 slices of provolone in here. Then we're going to go over and put our soup over all that good. We're going to get this soup and we're going to pour it all over. Y'all enjoy. Bye.